guys, so I'm starting off this video very late. Like today I had so many things to do, like packing, going to the salon to do my hair and prepare meals for some time before I get back. So there was so many things I had to do. Then when I got to the salon, I could not even film anything. People were too much and I was in a rush to get to the market. So welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So today I'm going to be doing another vlog. I'm going back to school tomorrow, Sunday. Not actually school. I will drop in school, then head back to Onitsha to my parents with my baby. Then I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, I'm not yet packed. I'm still cooking. This is like after a few minutes after 7, almost to 8 actually. So I want to take you guys along with me. But I'm not packed. We're still going to pack before. Once we are done cooking, we're going to pack and we'll be heading to Anambra State tomorrow. Want to swallow me? So we're heading to Onitsha tomorrow. What else do I want to say? Guys, I was thinking about doing a series where I'll be every week I'll be compiling a video for you guys, 400 level, like final year kind of thing, like an episode where I'll be showing you guys how final years in my school is like every week I'll be dropping a video. I don't know whether you guys are interested. Just leave a comment in the comment section of what you think and let me do it. But I really want to do it, so I need you guys to motivate me. I need more comments about it so I know that I'll put, to channel this energy into it. Anyways, we're still cooking and we're packing our bags once we are done. I'll see you guys. I'm running out of breath. Okay? Say hi to my subscribers, baby. Hey. You guys, so this is the level we are in.
Alright. Okay.
Hey guys, so I just got to myself right now. We're still at so we did not sleep last night. Actually, we cooked till what time, Chine? We cooked till 3. When we are done, as we are cooking, we are packing. Though we took a nap like 20 minutes so before we left because the driver came late. So right now we are at Benin. We are still at Benin. I don't know, I'm very tired. I'm just now picking up my phone to do this, record this. And your little man here is tired. Hey guys, so this is the next day and I'm heading to school to do some cleanup. So yesterday we got back and we were so caught up in the moment that I could not even film anything any longer, and we were so exhausted, like very exhausted. So you guys, please do well to subscribe if you're not subscribed to this channel. And about that thing I was talking to you guys about every week in school as a finalist, I want to be doing an episode, like I want it to be like a movie where you guys will be catching up on the episode. I don't know whether you guys understand, like a movie, each episode will be at the end of every week. I don't know if you guys are interested, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll do well to start immediately. Okay, so I'll be heading to school now to do some things. Next week is my seminar defense, and you guys, I'm freaking out. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.